चिखले वाठारांतल्या रस्त्यार जावपी अपघातांक लागून जिवाक कसलीच हानी जावची न्हय हे खातीर CSR अंतर्गत ट्रॅफिक सिग्नल घातला आनी ताचे सोबितीकरण केलां अशें पंचायत मंत्री मॉविन गुदिनोन सांगलें. चिखले वाठारांतल्या पंचायती कडेन ट्रॅफिक सिग्नलाचें आनी सोबितीकरण केल्ले वाठारांचें उक्तावण केल्या उपरांत मॉविन उलयतालो. चिखली आनी बोगमालो पंचायतीचे सरपंच तरणाटे आसात. आतां तांचे कडल्यान उदरगतीच्या कामाक चालना मेळटली अशें मॉविनान सांगलें.
I think it is a beautiful beginning in the new tenure of the panchayat as well as the assembly. What better thing than beautify a place? As you know, this was a accident-prone thing, and to start with, we had done the islanding in a small way with the signals and all that, so that no more accidents have took place like before. I still remember the death of a young youth, Simran, if I may remember. I recollect how she had to innocently die here. Many other people had to face similar. So I am very thankful to, under CSR, to come forward to the Sanks group, that all of them you see here, they have come willingly and done something meaningful for society. It's only when individuals like this who feel like doing something for society, not only for themselves. Wealth generation has to be there. People have to prosper. Industry has to prosper. But at the same time, think of others as well. When you think of others, you're thinking well of yourself as well, because you're promoting welfare. You are getting vibes from people which are positively inclined towards you, and in turn, what I say, blessing from somebody up there looking at you. So this augurs well for society. It augurs well for the panchayat functioning, and it augurs well for everybody around you who want good things to happen. We have a newly elected young Sarpanch, Kamla Prasad Yadav. His deputy also is a young person, Ashwarya Gorgankar, with all the other colleagues. And similarly, you have a new panchayat even in Bogmalo, where you have youngsters having come to the fore. This speaks that things are happening for the better.